Good morning, class 5. I hope everyone is fine. Yes, but your syllabus is almost complete. So only activities left, only project work is left. That is from chapter number 6. Everyone please open 72 page of your books. Chapter name is Habitat and Adaptation. I'll only tell you this chapter in brief, then I'll give you one activity and you will have to do that activity till Saturday. So let me tell what is this there in this chapter. Habitat. We know that there are different types of animals around us. Some animals they live in forest, some animals live in deserts, some live in polar regions, some in water. So they have different places to live on. A camel, it cannot live in water. Fish, it cannot live in deserts. So they have specific places, areas to live on. That areas they are known as habitats. Habitat, it is an area where a particular animal specifically naturally lives. This is an area where a particular animal naturally lives. जहाँ पे एक animal रहता है, that is known as its habitat. Camel lives in deserts. Desert is the habitat of camel. So desert camel की habitat होगी. Fish lives in ocean. So what is the habitat of fish? Ocean. Polar bear live in Arctics or polar regions. So what is the habitat of polar bear? Polar regions. So what are habitats? These are the areas where the particular animals naturally lives, that are known as habitats. Next is, there are different types of habitats. Habitats can be forest, they can be deserts, forest, some animals live in forest, some live in deserts, some live in polar regions, and mountains, some in oceans, and some in fresh water. These are the different types of habitats where different animals live. So which is the world's largest habitat? That is the ocean. It is the world's largest habitat. Now, the next term is adaptations. Now, what are adaptations? Changes in the features, page number 75. Changes in the features or behavior of an organism that help it to survive in its habitat are called adaptations. किसी भी एनिमल के बिहेवियर में चेंज या उनके फीचर्स में चेंज हो ताकि वो उस स्पेसिफिक हैबिटेट में सरवाइव कर सकें, जी सकें, उसे बोलते हैं एडेप्टेशन. We know that camel can survive in desert area, but lion or tiger they cannot survive in desert area. So there must be something in camel that helps it to survive in that area. वो क्या होगी उसकी adaptation? वो क्या adaptation है? There is a specific part in the body of camel, on the body, that is known as hump, where it stores water, जहाँ पे वो water store करता है, and it uses that water when there is a shortage of water in the desert area. जब वहां पे शॉर्टेज हो जाएगी वाटर की तो वो जो स्टोर किया हुआ वाटर है हम्प में वो कैमल उसे यूज करता है. सो कैमल की अडेप्टेशन क्या है? हम्प. हम्प उसकी अडेप्टेशन है, ये इसका फीचर है जो उसे एनेबल करता है डेजर्ट में सर्वाइव करने के लिए। Lion and tiger, they don't have hump to store water, so they cannot survive in desert area. Next example you can take of polar bear. Polar bear, they have fur on their body. White fur is there on their body. So function of the fur is to protect the body of polar bear from the cold. So that is why they can survive in the polar regions. So that are known as adaptations. Different animals, they have different adaptations. Fish can survive in water, but it cannot survive on land. Why? Fish, it has specific organs known as gills that help to breathe in water. We have lungs. If we jump in water, we will not be surviving. We will not survive because lungs, they will not help you further to breathe in water. They will get filled with the water and we will die. So fish, they have gills in their body that help them to breathe in water. That is why fish, they can survive in water. So gills are the adaptations of fish. And next main organ of fish, that are fins. These are the fins that help the fish to swim in water. So fins, that is the next adaptation of fish. So same way, different animals, they have different features. They have different adaptations to survive in the specific areas. We cannot survive in water because we do not have gills. We are able to survive on land. हम लैंड पे रहते हैं, हम लैंड पे सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. क्यों? Because we have lungs that helps us to breathe in oxygen that is present on the land. We have legs to walk on the land. These are our adaptations. ये हमारी adaptations. So based on this, I'm giving you one activity to do. Please do that activity till Saturday. That is a very simple activity. I have told you what is habitat, what is adaptation. Now, what the activity is, make a list of 8 animals along with their habitat and adaptations. In first column, you will write name of the animal, second habitat, and third adaptations. Name of the animal, example I am giving you, write fish. Habitat, it lives in oceans. And what is the adaptation? It has gills or fins to survive in water. The same way you will have to make list of 8 animals like this only. So please complete this activity and send me on Saturday for checking. Thank you and have a nice day.